Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Monopoly Go application. Now after opening your Monopoly Go application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here you'll have Wins, Build, Go, Album and Friends button at the bottom and a three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. So click on this three-lined icon and you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top of the screen. So when you click on your profile icon, it is going to show you some avatars. Here, you can choose your Facebook profile picture or another avatars that are available on this page. So these are the avatars that you can switch to on Monopoly Go. You can also click on this small pencil icon and change your name, but we are not going to do that. What you'll have to simply do is click on any avatar that you want to change to and click on Save. After you click on Save, you will see that your profile picture has been changed on Monopoly Go. Now, if you want to change your profile picture to your picture, you'll have to simply select this Facebook icon, click on Save. Now, in order to switch this picture to something else, simply navigate to Facebook and change your profile picture on Facebook. And after you change your profile picture on Facebook, you would have successfully changed your profile picture on Monopoly Go. So that's how you change profile picture on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.